What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, and this may be the most important video I've ever done because I think everybody can relate to this. If you in your household buy Parmesan cheese, at some point in your life you have banged this thing against the countertop because the bottom of the cheese is rock solid, and there is a simple way to avoid this. And I bet you most of you already have the solution to this in your house. So, if by chance you've ever bought a blender bottle, see this one's nice and old, the label's coming off, but you can use this blender bottle to solve one of life's problems. Take the blender bottle, take the springy part, put it in your Parmesan cheese, and all of a sudden you have blender bottle Parmesan cheese. You never have this problem ever again. What if you use your blender bottles all the time? You can order just the springs off of Amazon in an 8-pack for like $4. Problem solved. Share this with everybody. This is probably the most important video I'll ever do. Make Parmesan great again. Till next time, take care.